So we have a beautiful harvest. This harvest right here is the result of praying and spending $1.69, which was the price of 4 plants at my local gardening spot. And to plant it, I just made 4 hills, put the plants in, watered, and fed them. And this is the result. So my neighbors and I have been having a contest guessing how many squash are in here. The foliage is just starting to die back. In fact, you can tell the difference between the squash leaves here in my shadow compared to those leaves over there, which are sweet potato vines. So the potatoes are growing under the ground with the carrots in the corner, and the squash is growing on top of the ground. This is the best way to utilize a piece of land. So people ask, how do you know when the squash is ready? First of all, you can tell by the color. The color is golden. It is beautiful. Now, you see this squash right here? And the stem is brown. It's ready to harvest. You can also tell by the finger test. You can put your thumbnail into it and it doesn't go because it's got a lovely hard coating on it. It's hard compared to this younger squash over here. The color is not as golden and the stem is still green. Wear gloves when you pick your squash because they have those prickers to keep these nasty squash bugs from drilling holes in them. So here we are. The squash leaves are removed. Here's how many squash we got. So that is a lot of squash. And I've already given to my neighbors. And I still have almost 70 left in the field. And I've already made soup. So I think I'm going to take them to the farmer's market, sell the majority of them, and make my garden money back. So praise God. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.